and welcome to AutoCAD 101. Today I'm talking about layer properties. Let's start a new drawing, and on our ribbon in the Home tab, find the Layer Properties button. Layer Properties Manager will be opened. You can see it's its own little window, but I like to keep it docked and auto hidden, and that keeps it out of the way until we need it. For starters, in vanilla AutoCAD, we just have layer 0. You can see it's on, it's unfrozen, unlocked, it's printable, which we click that will turn it to not printable. It has a color of white. Line type is continuous. Line weight is set to default. And it is not transparent. So to begin, let's create a new layer, and we'll call this one Def Points. Def Points is an AutoCAD layer that has one special property of being a non-plot layer. Def Points is not plottable. So let's change the color of that layer to 140, and this is a personal preference. If you would like to pick some other layer color, you can. I like to keep it on color 140. That is fairly identifiable and reminds me that that is Def Points. Let's create a few new layers, layer 1, 2, and 3. And you can see that since I had Def Points highlighted, they all came out with the color of 140 and also unplottable. Let's make them all plottable. Let's change their colors to green for layer 1, blue for layer 2, and red for layer 3. Now, I'm still set to layer 0, so when I draw a line, and let's turn orthographic on, it will be on layer 0. Once I select another layer and draw a line, it will be on that respective layer. We can also choose our layer from this little pull down here. I'm going to make several copies of this layer, or of this line. And we can see, since I copied the line that was on layer 0, all its copies are also layer 0. I can change them one at a time to the layers I like. And now they take on the properties of their respective layers. Line type is the next property we're going to talk about. Since I don't have any line types on this drawing yet, none are loaded, we can load those up. Let's bring in center line. Let's bring in hidden line. And let's bring in phantom line. Hit OK. Now it hasn't actually changed anything yet. We have to actually choose the line type for each layer. And you can see each layer, or each line, updates to have the properties of its layer. So if I make a circle, remember we're on layer 0, and choose the layer, it updates the circle with the color and the line type. From the layer window, we can also lock a layer, which means it's uneditable. So now that these layers on layer 0 or lines on layer 0, I can still pick them, but I can't move them. And nor can I delete them. But once I unlock that layer, now they can be edited again. I can also turn a layer on or off. You can see layer 1 disappears. Freezing and turning them off has greatly the same effect. Frozen layers and layers that are turned on and off can't be selected or modified. And then we have line weight. These are more apparent when printing, but if you have the line weight options on, you'll be able to see this in the drawing. Generally, I keep everything on default. That's a quick breakdown of the layer properties. Thanks for watching, and good luck!